We have to talk. I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but here we are. And it's pretty much inevitable. At some point throughout the summer, you're likely going to have pests invading your herbs because they're beautiful and delicious. Likely going to be like aphids, thrips, leaf suckers, tiny little things that you may not notice until it's too late. Let's talk about it before they get our plants. Here's some telltale signs. Sometimes you can actually see the bugs like this weevil and these grasshoppers that have also left major chew marks on the leaves. Sometimes it's more subtle, like little white spots or just discoloration. And sometimes if you turn the underside, you see aphids like this. So gross, but there they are. You take your little insecticidal soap and you spray it. You have to actually get the spray on the insects. So you want to be thorough, get the top and the back because you're not going to see them all. So be really thorough, give it a little blast and make sure you get them. Repeat as needed. For more info on the signs and what my mixture is, check out the herb book.